I'll play Luthando. That's one thing I can say. And I just want to ask, like, what personal relationship do you have with Blackie, and how is that like?
Ana personally ngathi umuntu asebenza naye dog, but ukuthi yena like I'm a bit closer to him rather than abanye abantu abo, like kwangivumela kwispace ukuthi okay you can pull up senze ingoma. Me and Blackie have like more than like 3-4 songs now, like
yeah, no, the chemistry was really felt on it's 10 right? Yeah, it's 10 it was really felt, yeah.
So it's ulova ngimina I'm like ulova wami dog, and I'm sure now ngibuka like that. It's just that like about this GMG, this Qwela.
Of course, yeah.
Yeah, but like it's ulova dog, like we are pull up
because even pulled up for you guys sunroof ngithi was hotel yeah, so okay.
Yeah, even Nabisho in Durban, he did pull up. He was not on the lineup, but Wafika to
just to show love.
Yeah, bought
that's
me
crazy.
A couple of bottles up in there. What's your poison? You must be comfortable. It's your show, dog. Like relax. What do you want?
No way.
Give me your master. Don't worry. You feel me?
Yeah.
So like ucwele ngami, even if you're humble, you're kwezinye indawo. Unongibizi your poison. Ngisala, do you wanna pull up with me? I'm like, yeah.
I'll play Luthando. That's one thing I can say, because even with me, the first time, I think he was one of the first people to actually notice me before anyone else did. So Blackie is big goat for real.